Dear friends, welcome to Data Analytics Talks. Have you ever wondered what happens when hundreds of users, thousands of tables, and sensitive business data all exist in the same data platform? Who gets access to what? Who change the data? Where did the data come from? Even can you trust the data you are using? As organizations scale their data and AI initiatives, these questions become critical. Without proper governance, a data lake quickly becomes a data swamp. And that's exactly where Unity Catalog comes in. Unity Catalog, the central governance layer for your data, AI, and analytics. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this course. Unity Catalog, the foundation of Databricks governance. My name is Biju, and throughout this course, I will guide you through one of the most important services in the Databricks platform. Whether you are a data engineer, analyst, scientist, architect, or platform administrator, even governance professional, understanding Unity Catalog is no longer optional. It is the governance backbone of modern Databricks Lakehouse implementation. You may ask why Unity Catalog? Before Unity Catalog, organizations often struggled with managing permissions across multiple workspaces, controlling access to sensitive data, tracking data lineage, auditing user activities, enforcing security policies consistently. So, this resulted in increased risk, compliance challenges, and lack of trust in data. Unity Catalog solves these challenges by providing a centralized governance layer across your entire Databricks environment. Think of Unity Catalog as single source of truth for your governance. Now let's see what is Unity Catalog all about. It is a core. Unity Catalog provides centralized access control, data dictionary, data lineage, auditing compliance, data sharing facility, AI and machine learning governance, fine grained security. So instead of managing permissions separately in every workspace, Unity Catalog allows organizations to govern data centrally and securely. So one governance model, one catalog, one source of control. So in this course, you will see Unity Catalog architecture, Unity Catalog features, managed and external tables, storage, credential, and external locations, delta sharing, Unity Catalog for AI governance, real-world use cases, best practices for Unity Catalog, and finally, we will see some of the common interview scenarios or questions. So stay tuned and let's know your expectation. So I will build the course accordingly. Thank you.